Hi, hello, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the strawberry sheet pie cake. This is something between pie and the cake. So I'm gonna make it in a sheet, in a big serving. This dessert is best for the parties or any tea time. You can make it on tea time as well. So the beauty of this dessert is you can use any flavor of your choice, any fruit, anything. I have used strawberries, and you can substitute it with blueberries, peach, pear, grapes, apples, any fruit of your choice, even mangoes or passion fruit. Anything that you have in hand, you can use it in this recipe. So this is very easy, very yummy, and very impressive too. The taste is obviously, it's so nice and so yum. Before I move into the recipe, you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up and follow me on Insta. Let's get started. For the strawberry filling, in a saucepan add strawberries, sugar and water and simmer it for 15 minutes on very low medium heat. And you have to stir it occasionally so it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes, what we're going to do, we have to add lemon juice in it. You can use fresh lemon or the bottled lemon juice. I'm using the bottled lemon juice. And stir. Now take a half cup of water and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix. It should not be lumpy. This cornstarch mixture gives this pie filling a very glossy finish and a very right consistency that we need for this cake. Add your cornstarch mixture in the strawberry mixture and stir. Cook this on very medium-low heat for at least 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes now, our strawberry filling is ready. The consistency should be like this, and you can see this is very okay. So for the cake, the ingredients that we need are butter 1 cup, eggs 4 eggs, room temperature 4 eggs, baking powder 1.5 teaspoon, sugar 1 plus 3/4 cup of sugars, and this is the same strawberry filling that I made. This is 2 cups strawberry filling, and this is all-purpose flour, 3 cups all-purpose flour, and vanilla essence 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and this salt that we need is just a pinch. It will be around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Before we start, first of all, this first step is we have to grease our pan and turn on the oven. I just turned on my oven on 180 degrees. This is gas mark 4. Because I have the gas oven, so I'm doing it on gas mark 4. Now be generous with the flour. First I have rubbed the butter all around. Now I'm just sprinkling flour. To prepare the batter, first add softened butter. And slowly we will add sugar. Now I'm adding eggs. I just added 1 egg, and one by one I will add all my eggs in it. Baking powder, salt, vanilla essence, mix it, Now add the flour, but we have to sieve it. So this is my final batter. Now what I have to do is just take out at least almost 1 cup of the batter for the topping. Yeah, I just took 1 cup of batter. The rest of that I will. Here's my pan. I'll just spread the batter. This is quite thick batter. It should be like that because we have to add the fruit filling, so it will be moistened with that. So don't worry about the thickness of the flour, of the batter. I'm sorry. Now spread your strawberry filling on top. Now take a teaspoon and just spread your batter, cake batter, like that in any pattern. And with a toothpick, just make any design that you like. Now bake this for around 35 to 40 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. I'm just gonna put it in the oven, preheated oven. My oven is already preheated. Icing sugar, and we will add a bit of vanilla extract. I just added 1 teaspoon. And we will add milk, 1 tablespoon by 1 tablespoon. Approximately 2 tablespoons we will need for this. We have to check the consistency actually. If we need more, we will add more, but it should be like pouring consistency. Just make sure there shouldn't be any lump, and the consistency should be like this, because we have to pipe it. Just make any design that you like.